This video will contain zero motivational stories and 100% practical guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average guy trying to be consistent, currently have a more than 180 days straight morning push-up streak fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. And also, I want to be the best at helping people build consistency. That's why I rehearse consistently on my live stream. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So there won't be much editing applied to this video, but I hope you are going to be the top 10% that actually really that serious to stick to this video until this video ends. And hey, this is May 2025, and this is gonna be day 305 of consistently helping people build consistency. I think we can all pretty much agree that when we are trying to be consistent at doing something, we should not rely on motivation only. Because hey, motivation comes and goes, and when we are trying to do something on a day-to-day basis, well then don't rely on something that comes and goes, okay? We need to do the thing regardless how we feel. So basically, I'm not saying that motivation is bad or anything. No, motivation is good. Okay, motivation can help us to stay consistent. But the thing that I'm saying here is that we need to create a system that's going to help us stay consistent even on the days when we are not feeling motivated. Okay, and basically, we can still use the concept of motivation itself. Because here's the thing: what we humans, why do we do things on the first place? Okay, we do things because we are motivated to get some return, to get some results from that thing. Okay, and on today's video, I'm gonna be explaining to you guys how can we actually utilize this concept, and also how to use the right motivation. Okay, how to use the right motivation in order to help us stay consistent at doing our thing. So on my old videos, I used to say that, you know what, we humans, we do things because we want something from it, right? We exercise because we want to be healthy. We exercise because we want to look good. We study because we want some good grades, and so on and so on. And we need to use this, use this concept, use this knowledge in order to help us stay consistent. And on today's video, I'm going to be, just giving some extra advanced advices on how to use this motivation, but in a more right way, in a more positive way. So the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be grabbing a pen and a paper and basically just write down all the motivations why we do some certain thing, why we exercise. Just be honest to ourselves, okay? Don't only write that, oh yeah, I exercise because I want to be healthy. That's good, but go further again. Go deeper. Why do you want to be healthy? Why do you want to look good? Okay? And also, it's going to, when you actually be honest with yourself, you might actually come to the reasons something like, oh yeah, I want to exercise because I want the validation and recognition from other people. Just be honest to yourself, okay? Well, to be honest, that's one of the reasons why I exercise. And that's pretty natural, okay? We humans, we want, as social creatures, right? We want the validation from other people. We want to be recognized. We want to be respected, and so on and so on. And that's pretty much natural. And yeah, there's actually nothing wrong with it. But it goes wrong when we just do exercise, when we just do the some certain thing, when we just do the exercise solely because of these reasons, okay? We do not want to just spend so much of our time, so much of our energy chasing the wrong thing. So here's the thing. What am I referring to wrong things? It's the motivation. Okay, I'm not saying the exercising itself is wrong. No, definitely it's not wrong. It's good. But the wrong thing here is that we are chasing the underlying motivation underneath it. Okay, so for example, we only exercise because mainly we want the recognition from other people. Okay, as ourselves. When we are old, if I manage to live to 80 years old, if and I get all the recognition, all the validation that I ever wanted from other people by exercising, will I feel fulfilled? Will I feel fulfilled because of all the recognitions from other people? So my point is, we do not want to spend countless hours, countless energy of hours, or precious limited life in order to chase things that are not going to fulfill us. Okay, we do not want to just chase these shallow reasons. The thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be questioning ourselves. Okay, seeing this whole thing, this whole motivational thing, in a different manner. Okay, so for example, just ask yourself, don't you have any other, any other motivation that are actually going to make you feel fulfilled at the end of, at the end of your life? If you just look back at your lifetime, you spend your time and energy to exercise, what's going to be the motivation, what's going to be the reason that's going to make you feel fulfilled? So for example, for me, it's going to be something like, you know what, yeah, I exercise because to some extent I want to have some recognition, but I don't want to just, do my exercise only for recognition. I want to have a higher meaning. So for example, you know what, I want to inspire other people to also exercise. I want to, make other people also be healthy, have some healthy life. My family, my friends, I want them to also exercise. That's why I exercise, because I want to inspire them. Okay, I want to give some example, good example. And also, for example, why I exercise is that precisely because exercising makes me achieve my dream better. Okay, I want to be the best at helping people build consistency. I want to rehearse my videos every single day. That's why I need to have a healthy physique, because it gives me more time, more energy to rehearse to become the best of my field. Hence, also help more people, okay? Inspire more people, and also basically also have some level of some self-respect to myself. Hey, I respect myself, I respect my time, I respect my energy, I respect my dream. That's why I try consistently to have a better quality life by exercising in order to make me healthy. Okay? So the thing that we are going to be doing, we are going to be writing these strong reasons, okay, strong, deeper reasons, okay, in our paper, the same paper. Basically, again, oh yeah, I just gonna be honest with myself. I want to exercise because I want to have some recognition. But that's not only going to be the only reason why I do it. I have some higher reasons, like, oh yeah, I want to inspire people, I want to be healthy, I want to achieve my dreams, and so on and so on. And basically, these stronger reasons are going to give us some stronger impact, okay, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, because it gives us more reason. Okay, imagine when we are not feeling motivated to do our exercise and we just read this paper, and the paper only say, you know what, I exercise because I want to be recognized by other people. I want to get all the applause. I want all the compliments. On some of the days, it's gonna feel empty. It's gonna feel meaningless. You know what? I spend my time, spend my energy just to get recognized. It kind of feels stupid, though, actually. But comparatively, when we just have all these deep reasons, right? Oh yeah, you know what? I exercise because I want to inspire my family to also be healthy. Okay? On the days when we are not feeling motivated, when we just read the reasons, the deep reasons, we are going to be thinking like, oh, you know what? Yeah, I don't feel like I'm motivated today, but you know what? Exercising is so important. It's that important. Even when I'm not feeling motivated, I'm still gonna be doing it. Okay, because it's really that important. Making other people get inspired and also exercise is really that important for me. Okay, so a really practical guide, a really practical advice in order to implement this system is to basically just read this paper on a specific time of the day. Just set on an alarm, okay? Maybe at 5 a.m., 5 p.m., or actually just right before you do your exercise on a day-to-day basis, you read this paper, okay? Before, or maybe like before you study or before you meditate, just read the paper and the reasons why you do these things, okay? The deep reasons. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing your thing. I hope you can be consistent at doing literally anything positive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join our Discord. And also you can support my long form videos on Gumroad by buying me coffee. It would really be meaningful for me. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye. Oh, and yeah, for today's date, authenticity post, today's May in 2025, and Mimzar posted a knocking on the door post last 24 hours, GMT +7. But this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I need to edit it first. Thank you.